Nearly half of organizations have lost sensitive data on USB drives. Don't be the next victim. Here is how to set password for files in pen drive. To make this process super safe and fully automated, check out my USB file lock assistant. It handles everything for you and ensures a strong encryption. Grab the tool from the pinned comment and protect your files in seconds. Now let's begin the manual steps. First, we need to install 7-Zip, the free tool we will use to lock our files with a password. Open your web browser and head to the official 7-Zip website. Type www.7zip.org. Make sure you are downloading from the official site to avoid fake or modified versions. On the download page, look for the 64-bit Windows version and click Download. While the download is complete, open the installer to begin. When the setup window appears, simply click Install. When you see installation complete, click Close. That is it. 7-Zip is now installed and ready to use. Next, we need to connect the pen drive that contains the files you want to protect. Plug in your USB pen drive. Once it's detected, open File Explorer and locate your USB drive. Choose the exact files or folders you want to protect with a password. Only the item you select here will be protected. The rest of the pen drive stays completely normal. Right-click on the selected file or folder. From the menu, select More Options and hover over 7-Zip to preview more options. Click Add to Archive. A new settings window will open. This is where we apply the password and encryption. First, look at the archive format option and set it to 7-Zip. Leave compression level set to normal. The default is perfectly fine. In the encryption section, enter your password. Choose something strong that you can remember. Re-enter the same password to confirm it. Make sure the encryption method is set to AES256. Now check the box labeled Encrypt file names. Encrypting file names means no one can even see what's inside the archive unless they enter the correct password. When it is done, you will see a new file appear on your pen drive. This file is now fully password protected. We must verify that the archive works. Double-clicking it the normal way won't work. Right-click the 7-Zip file you just created. Select More Options. Now hover over 7-Zip to reveal more options. And from there, click Open Archive. You should immediately see a password prompt. Enter your password and click OK. Now confirm that you can see or open the files inside. If the files open correctly, that means the encryption was successful. If it does not open, stop here and repeat the previous steps. This final step is critical. Your files are not secure unless this is done. Go back to your pen drive in File Explorer. Delete the original files or folders that you encrypted. Once this is complete, only the encrypted zip file remains on the pen drive. Your file or folder is now fully protected by a password. Alright, now I want to show you my USB file lock assistant that will make protecting your files on a USB drive even easier. One thing to note, if your PC doesn't have 7-Zip installed, don't worry. During installation, 7-Zip is automatically installed in the background, so you don't have to touch a thing. So everything, protecting, verifying, deleting originals, and restoring is handled safely and easily with just a few clicks. Grab the tool from the pinned comment and protect your files in seconds.